Snack attack. All around the world, people love to take a break and eat a tasty snack. Let's take a look at a few snacks you can find when you travel around. Sabbat, Kazakhstan. A bowl of Sabbat or camel's milk makes a great snack. It tastes great, and it's good for your health. Sabbat can cure a lot of health problems. Drink it all up. Peanuts and ketchup chocolate, Austria. Do you like ketchup on your chips? How about in a chocolate bar? Is that a yes or a no? Lemon and pepper tang, Pakistan. Feeling thirsty? How about a nice lemon drink with pepper? Will it make you feel cool or hot? Octopus flavored crisps, South Korea. A bag of octopus flavored crisps is a great way to get the taste of yummy octopus. And you don't have to chew on the legs. Fish and chips gelato, Australia. Take two popular dishes, fish and chips and ice cream, and put them together. Yummy, or not. Jelly Belly Tabasco beans, USA. Here are some interesting sweets. Jelly beans with the flavor of hot Tabasco sauce. Ouch!